Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Today is the 10th of September 2019 and I want to do a special video here on XRP. There's a lot of XRP being moved about by the whales here right now, and you can see here on the whale channel on Twitter, 15 million, 10 million, 25 million moved about, 13 million, 10 million. Oh no, sorry, that's not XRP. But there's a lot of XRP moving about right now, so I just want to look into the price and see if we can find anything, see if there's any clues. Maybe I'll just you can find me on Twitter here at crypto check at Martin Bradley at Twitter if you want to follow me there. Anyway, let's get into this because there's a couple of important things happening. Now, on the 4-hour chart here, there's a beautiful bull flag. The target of this pattern, if you use some market symmetry, and you could easily just get a target up into that area, into the 28-cent area. That 28-cent area, it's a nice 5% move, 6-7% move. I like to be conservative on my targets, if you're conservative, you want to buy this. If I can get this video out on time, with a stop below the pattern, it's a good risk reward trade. This is not financial advice. I bought this. I'm just letting you know what I done. So with any luck, all this whale movement, it will be buying XRP and not be dumping it. And you can see here. We seem to be kind of moving into the apex here and potentially get a bit of a move up. So hopefully that should break to the upside. That was on the 4-hour chart. Well, on the daily chart, we can see here the RSI. The RSI is rising. That's not the best trend line at all. Very rough. Let me do that again. It's just those settings are on the way down the bottom. So we are moving up on the RSI, so we're trying to gain a bit of strength here. We're still below the 50, so we're still in bear territory, but we have to come out of that at some point. Now, what would be absolutely beautiful, guys, this would be fantastic for all XRP lovers. Now, the thing is, what happened? XRP got a massive stop hunt right down there. I can show it better on a weekly chart. You might not see it very good there, but XRP actually had a stop hunt there. So if that was a stop hunt and now maybe XRP could move up, that would be beautiful. I would love a good XRP pump. Now you can see here, even with this trend line, we broke out of this trend line now, and the potential of XRP moving back up is there. Now we have strong support here. You can see from the support from here and from back in. Trying to fit all that in on the chart at once, guys. And from back here in, is that 2018? A good support down here as well. So we're down into that area. So it would be beautiful here if this XRP get moved about. Was it nearly $100 million worth of XRP getting moved about? A lot of XRP. So, a move up would be very nice here. Now let me go to a weekly chart. So a little rundown. When price was up here at 30 cent, I made a video on a TradingView post. I think I made a video, I made a TradingView post anyway, and I said XRP will drop down into the green box. Now it dropped 20% in one day, if you remember. Is that a month ago already? God, it's not long ago. So about a month ago, I made that prediction, and it dropped 20% in one day. And my prediction was for XRP to drop 20% because I was conservative on my target. Now this says 30 to 40% drop, but my target on the TradingView post was 20%, and it hit 20% exactly on the nose on the day. So it was a flawless call. Beautiful. Anyway, on a weekly chart here, you can see again, let me just take all this stuff off the chart. We don't need that right now. The only thing we need here right now is just to show you where that stop hunt is and where that support is. Now, the support runs all through here. You can see this support, resistance, and this is back to the scene of the crime. Price exploded higher. It came back to the scene of the crime. Now, second time the resistance, second time the support, it may not be as strong, but it still can act as very, very good support. Now, what you notice here is we tested this, and then all of a sudden we had whale buys, massive volume, and price skyrocketed. If you want to see what the price actually jumped there, price 267% from my 190 from memory, or 190 from my memory told me 260, but memory is not so good. 186%. So if this whale buys, guys, are buying this up, you know, the likelihood is we're probably going to test these previous highs somewhere up here. So if the buys are big, and we all know what XRP is like, anytime there's ever a pump in it, you know, there's a 60% move right there. You know, so when it does move, I think on average it likes to move probably 60% when it gets pumped. There's another 60%, as you can see. So 50-60%. So if we do that and we're conservative, for example, you know, we could say 50% target, and that's a target of $40. Now, will we get that? Will we actually get a pump? You know, don't know. Who knows? But I'm long anyway, and if we can get that move up, it would be beautiful. I'm just going to take you back here, and I want to show you the 1 hour, because we're starting to move here. I wanted to get this video out to everybody before we start to move. So we're starting to move slightly here. If I can show you the price here. If I bring that in, we're up 1.25%. So we've moved up slightly since I started the video. This looks very good. I really hope I can get this video out, so I need to hurry up here. Now, the last time, if you look the last time on XRP, the exact same thing happened on a monthly basis. We had this big breakdown, massive breakdown. And what happened? We failed to take out the lows. And then we skyrocketed, even on the breakdown candle. Now, what's happening right now? We broke down, we had this massive breakdown, and it's not as strong as a pullback. I have to admit, guys, here, price, it is not as strong, and it's a weak close. But if we can get this pump, it might actually give us a bullish engulfing candle. That is what we have to hope for right now. Otherwise, you know, XRP can still go lower into my lower targets. But there's a lot of XRP moving here, so we have to just keep a close eye on this and trade this to the long side. I'm long here with a stop just below the pattern down here, and I am entered a long position. If we get that a bit of a break up, I will slowly move my stop back up until it gets to break even, and I find that is, well, it's a safe way for trading. It lowers my risk. So that's it, guys, for the XRP video. Keep an eye on this. There's definitely something happening and brewing right now, and I just wanted to get this XRP video out for you. So if you like the video, guys, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to join us in our Discord trading room, you can go to the website link in the description below and sign up for a 3-day free trial. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.